Hey everybody! I am so excited to announce that this month, February 2019, I am a guest designer for Wild Hare Kits. So I thought it might be fun to do an unboxing video. I did go ahead and open the envelope because I was afraid I would struggle with that during the video. But I'll show the rest of it to you like in real time. I have never done an unboxing video before, so who knows what we're going to get into here. So let me pull this out. I think I might want to save this package and do something with, you know, this tape. Or I wish I had asked Allison to send me a little bit of the tape on the side, because it would be so fun to talk about my experience as a guest designer and use some of this tape. But I think I can just cut it off of this this cardboard envelope. Okay. Oh goodness, it looks delicious. I just finished doing my video for my December Daily 2018, and I was talking about being kind of sick of working with Christmas stuff. And so looking at this is fabulous because it feels very springy, you know, it feels very fresh. So let's open it up and see all of my goodies. If you guys don't know, the Wild Hare Kits is a kit club that is personalized individually. If you're familiar with like Stitch Fix, where people shop for you and send you clothes that they think you'll like based on a style profile, it's the same kind of idea but with scrapbook supplies. So you fill out a questionnaire, and then Allison and her team curate a particular kit for you based on what you said you enjoy. And it's kind of exciting to be able to see, you know, how close they came to your style. I've played with a couple of other kits, but I'm super excited about this. So I love these. Here are the pink Paisley Whimsical printed die cuts from Paige Evans. This is the floral pack. And so, I mean, I could use a ton of these on all kinds of different projects. I think that's really awesome. And this is one that I don't have, so that's exciting. You know, when you buy a lot of scrapbook supplies, one of the things you run into is that if other people give you things, or if you order something that you don't know exactly what you're getting, you might get kind of duplicates and all that sort of thing. But I do not have these, so I'm super excited about that. I will say that since I'm the guest designer, Allison sent this to me complimentary, so I think I'm supposed to like reveal that. And in return, I'm going to be making some projects and sharing them in her community. All right, so okay, this is right up my alley. It is MAP washi tape. Is it gonna focus in maybe? I don't know if it did or not. But it's fabulous. It's black and white, and the words are small, so I think that it would work on any kind of a travel page. Like, it doesn't have to be about a specific place, which I like. And you guys know how much I love to travel, so this will get a lot of use from me, I'm sure. And then here is some teal washi tape. It has words on it. It says best day ever, loved this day. These are really cute. I like this a lot. I would probably use loved this day more often, but I really like the color of that. And I don't have a lot of washi in that color. The ones that I have are a little bit more green. So this turquoise will be really fun to work with. Oh man, here's a stencil. And y'all know I'm not really a mixed media person, but this makes me want to try it, right? These look a little bit like seashells to me. And then they also remind me a little bit of that Art Deco wallpaper that was really popular in maybe the 20s. And so I have some ideas for this. I might have to get my paint out and play with it. Maybe I need to get some texture paste and do something with that too. Okay, I'll be thinking on that. Here is an alphabet sticker set from Freckled Fawn. I love that these are skinny and small, and I love that they're white print on a black background. I think that's really cool. I don't think I have anything like this. So again, this is something along with the stencil that I haven't bought myself, but I really like. And so I'm excited to play with it. Oh, here is it's like a die cut heart. You pop these out. I think maybe she cut it out for me because she knows I'm afraid of my silhouette. But this will be fun, that I could put pattern paper behind here or a picture. I like that. Photo corners. Now, I haven't used photo corners in a long time, and I actually haven't seen these from Echo Park. So that'll be kind of fun to play with it. It's labeled as a traveler's notebook photo corner, and so I think these are designed probably for photos that are smaller than 4x6. But I scrapbook whole pages even with photos that are smaller than 4x6, so I'm not going to limit myself to using them with a traveler's notebook. I'm excited about this too. I really love this kind of burnt orange color, and that it's kind of a sunny yellow color. I really like those together. Those scream like vacation or beach to me for some reason, along with the black and white stripes. Here is a Heidi Swapp sticker page, and I love the numbers. This sounds like it might be good for doing some kind of, how do I love thee kind of spread. And then just so you can see a little bit of the different patterns. These are great. I love that there's a combination of like journaling spots, but also just decorative pieces. And again, you see more of that mint and the pink, a little bit of that orange again, like that. All right, so let's get into the parts that are always my favorite. I love paper and that sort of thing. So a cut-apart page, this is fabulous. I don't have this. It's brand new. It's Maggie Holmes' Sunny Days. And even though I don't do a lot of pocket page scrapbooking, I absolutely love these cut-apart pages. And I think that these tags are just phenomenal. That is so fun. I love this whole design. And then the black and white stripe on the back is just classic. Set that off to the side. Allison knows how much I love to read, and so this book page is so great. I actually have a traveler's notebook where I'm keeping track of some of the things that I read, and so this would be perfect for a spread in that. Oh, and on the back, more cut-apart cards. This piece comes from Chamel. It's called Head in the Clouds, and I'm pretty sure it's brand new as well. I love the purple. I don't have a lot of things that are purple, and my school colors are purple and gold. So wouldn't it be great if I could incorporate this purple and gold somehow into something that had to do with my job? That would work really well. All right. Here's another piece of Maggie Holmes' Sunny Days. Notice that the colors are all very complementary, even though these are coming from different lines, and that's so that I can mix them freely and use them on the same pages. So I'm excited about that. Again, this kind of a greenish yellow I really like. You've got that coral that is the new color, the Pantone color for the year. This kind of purpley blue, and then that sort of rich green. I really like those. And on the back is a map. And I love a map. We've talked about that. Love a map. That's so great. And this one is shades of blue, which is a little bit different. I don't often run into map paper that isn't some sort of brown. And so the fact that it's blue is kind of a fresh surprise. Here is a cut-apart page from Jen Hadfield. The Patio Party line. These tags are fabulous, and they would be so great for like to send a note to somebody, like a thank you note or even a happy birthday. I can see so many options with that. Love those flamingos. And then on the back, an aqua grid, which is just like a staple. Here we have more crepe paper, Sunny Days. Oh my gosh, I love it. The swimsuits and the beach umbrellas and the big, you know, floppy hat. Oh, this is awesome. I actually have some pictures from Hawaii that might be perfect for this. So I'm excited there. And then the back is this, it sort of looks like Moroccan tile. Here is some more crepe paper. I think Allison knows how much I love crepe paper. Look at these little word cards. You could cut these out individually to use as like ephemera elements, or you could make it a background. You could do a whole strip of them. I love that they're a little bit inconsistent, you know, that they're not all the same size or the same shape. I think that's really cool. And then that kind of botanical on a pink print, that just like screams Hawaii to me. It screams something tropical. Whew, I love it. Here is some more crepe paper. This is from their Here and There line, and that came out, I want to say, last summer. I love these little motorcycle scooter things. I always think of them as Vespas, even though I know that there are lots of other brands. If I lived in Europe, I would totally have, you know, one of these, and I would like tool around town on it. Assuming it's easier than riding a bike, because my friend Tonya, who was with me in Amsterdam, knows how poorly I ride a bike. Then on the back, here are just a bunch of printed words. They sort of look like bricks or subway tile if you were to use them in a chunk. But then you could also cut them out and use like individual phrases different places. That's super cute. Here's more crepe paper. It is blue. This one is called Swimsuit. And it does kind of remind you of the water, like the ripple of the water. And then you have all of these cut apart options on the other side. I love these. I think that they're just a little bit less vibrant than some of the other pieces, which will be nice. There's more of a like a pastel feel of these, and that'll be kind of a nice contrast to some of the deeper or the brighter colors. So great. These, you know, thinking about this reminds me of maybe my trip to Oregon and Washington last summer. That's more of the vibe that I get for this page. Ooh, lots of things to think about. More Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. This is just like a little, what would I call these? Like little dashes. And they're mostly black and white, but then they have a little bit of green and oh, and check out the blue hearts with kind of the purpley blue, the blue hearts and then the lighter blue background. I really like this because I don't work with blue a lot. So this will be kind of a challenge to incorporate more blue into my scrapbook designs. And then, oh, these are always my favorite. I love them so much. This is brand new. It's Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, and it's the chipboard stickers. I love every single thing on this. This is all so fabulous. And I'll have to really like tell myself that it's okay to use them and not to hoard them, because that's always kind of the temptation with something that you love like this. Again, it's got the wonderful different shades of pinks. There's some coral, some orange, some yellow, some teal, a little bit of the royal blue, and then some of the purpley shades too, some aqua, some black. I mean, what is not to love on this? I'm so excited about using it. And if you've never ordered from the Wild Hare kits before, they also give you a list of everything that was included so that you know what you're using in case you're blogging about it or sharing and that kind of thing. So I'm so excited. Let's review. We've got the 12 by 12 chipboard that is brand new from Maggie Holmes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of fabulous pattern paper that I love all of them, and they're a combination of both patterns and staples, but also of cut apart sheets. I have the sticker set from Heidi Swapp, the 2-sided sticker set, the photo corners from Echo Park, the die cut heart, the Freckled Fawn alphabet, an Echo Park stencil, 2 washi tapes, my little thank you card, and a package of the floral printed die cuts from Pink Paisley. I am so excited to work with this, you guys, and I hope that you enjoy seeing the projects that I make with it during the month of February. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.